Welcome back to the channel. If you have been using HTTP Custom before, you already know it's one of the most reliable tools for creating a custom VPN connection. And recently, the app received a fresh update with some noticeable changes to the interface and features. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the complete process of setting up HTTP Custom with a WireGuard configuration, starting from installing the latest version of the app all the way to connecting successfully and monitoring your connection logs. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's begin with the application itself. If you already have HTTP Custom installed on your device, the first thing you want to do is make sure you are running the latest available version, since older versions may not support the newer WireGuard options shown in this tutorial. If you don't have the app installed yet, open the Google Play Store, tap the search icon, and type in HTTP Custom. From the list of results, look for the official application and tap Install. If you already have it installed and see that an update is available, tap Update instead so that everything stays current. Once the installation or update finishes, tap Open, and this will take you straight to the new HTTP Custom home screen. You will notice right away that the interface looks a little different compared to the older version, with a cleaner layout and reorganized menus. Before we dive into the app settings, we first need to create a WireGuard server, so let's take care of that next. To create our first WireGuard server, open any browser on your device, and in the search bar, type VPN Jantit. From the search results, visit the official VPN Jantit homepage. Once you're on the site, look through the menu and tap on the free VPN option, and from the submenu that appears, select WireGuard VPN to move on to the next step. At this point, you'll be shown a list of different server locations. Choose whichever location is closest to you, or closest to the game server you plan to use, since this will usually give you the smoothest and most stable connection. Simply tap on the location you want to proceed. Next, you'll see an account creation form appear on screen. Go ahead and enter a username and password of your choice. Complete the reCAPTCHA verification, and then press Create Server to continue. Give it a few seconds while the server is generated, and once it's ready, you'll have the option to download either the configuration file or a QR code. Go ahead and save whichever one you prefer, since we'll need it in the next step. Now, copy the configuration you just downloaded and head back to the HTTP Custom home screen. From there, tap on the small arrow menu, and then select V2Ray Protocols, which will open a new window showing several protocol options. From that list, choose WireGuard, and the app will bring up the WireGuard settings screen. At the top of this screen, you'll see a small clipboard icon. Tap on it, and the app will automatically load the server details you copied earlier. Once the server information has loaded successfully, add it to your profile by tapping the plus icon. After that, go back to the home screen and tap the play button to start the connection. While it's connected, you can swipe to the right at any time to view the live connection logs and keep an eye on your traffic. And that's really all there is to it. You now have HTTP Custom fully configured and running with a WireGuard connection using a free server from VPN Jantit. This setup gives you a fast, stable, and secure way to browse without any extra cost. If this tutorial helped you get everything working, do me a favor and hit that like button. Drop a comment if you run into any issues along the way, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.